How to disassemble Shark Turbo Blade XL. First, position the blades horizontally. Rotate the turbo blade arms so they are in a horizontal position. This makes them easier to remove and reduces stress on the locking mechanism. Step 2. Remove the blade assembly. Stand behind the fan. Place one hand on each end of the blade assembly. Push downward firmly on both sides until the removable section pops free. Then pull the assembly straight out. Some users report loud clicks or pops during removal. This can be normal if the locking tabs are tight. Step 3. Remove the pole from base. Twist the fan base counterclockwise until it stops. Locate the release slot near the pole connection. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into the slot. Press inward to release the latch, then rotate the pole counterclockwise and lift it out. Step 4. Remove the base plate. Carefully turn the fan upside down. Use a flathead screwdriver to lift the base latch. Rotate the base plate counterclockwise and lift the plate away from the base. Then step 5. Clean and reassemble. Wipe plastic surfaces with a microfiber cloth. Remove dust from vents and filters, and allow any washed parts to dry completely before reassembly. Reassemble in reverse order. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.